Hey, it's T Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So yes, you read that title right. Apple cider vinegar for your hair. I have a crazy amount of buildup from just products in my hair, gel, all that kind of stuff. So apple cider vinegar does restore your pH balance and it keeps your hair moisturized. It's unlike shampoo where it doesn't strip your hair of its natural oils. So let's get started. So I'm detangling my hair. I have a water spray bottle with some warm water in it. I'm gonna go ahead and eyeball the apple cider vinegar and pour it inside. Wait, I'm having some difficulties here. Okay, I got it. So we're gonna go ahead and pour a little bit in there, shake it up. Now, the reason that I'm using warm water is to open up my hair follicles. I have parted my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to spray the mixture on my scalp and finger massage it. I'm gonna part another section and repeat this process until the mix is all over my hair. So I finished the remaining sections off camera. I didn't want this video to be too long, and I'm just gonna tie it up in this plastic bag and let it sit for 15 minutes. I have rinsed my hair with warm water and look, buildup gone. It is non-existent and I am satisfied. I'm going in with my Tresemme Conditioner. This is my deep conditioning process. Again, I parted my hair in 4 sections and I'm just gonna saturate every piece of hair, parting in between, making sure I get the conditioner on every strand of hair. I'm gonna repeat this process on all 4 sections. Usually with my deep condition, I do let it sit in my hair overnight, but I have to work tomorrow, so I let it sit in for about 5 hours. I'm using my Cantu Leave in conditioner, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow out my hair using my Conair blow dryer, which I love, and I will link where you can get this down below. It has a hot and cool setting and a high and low setting. Now, blow drying your hair is completely optional. This is just something that I love to do. And what I'm going to do next is take my Jamaican black castor oil and put this on my edges. This will keep your edges nice and healthy. So I'm going in with my coconut oil and shea butter. This product is a really light consistency. It smells amazing. I'm just going to moisturize my hair with it. Now, sometimes the hard gels can really damage your edges. So with the black castor oil, I'm just taking my brush, brushing my edges, and I'm gonna lay it down with my scarf overnight. It's kind of like a substitute for edge control. It doesn't make your hair hard, but it does lay it down. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. See ya.